Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today's video features a flight test of the Skydroid G20 remote controller and the CUAV V6X flight controller. Products used in this test: Skydroid G20 remote controller, CUAV V6X flight controller, Neo 3 Pro GPS module and a 450 size frame. Pre-flight preparation. Unlock the motors without installing the propellers to check motor rotation direction. Once confirmed, install the propellers. Pixhawk V6X is a new generation Pixhawk flight controller jointly developed by CUAV and PX4. It is based on the Pixhawk FMUv6X standard and is engineered for ultimate safety and stability. It features an H7 dual precision floating point processor, a Cortex M3 coprocessor, triple redundant IMUs with independent buses and power supplies, factory-calibrated IMU temperature compensation, and dual redundant barometers. These technologies comprehensively enhance system safety and expansion capabilities. V6X also integrates a 100M Ethernet PHY interface, enabling high-speed communication via Ethernet with onboard computers, fiber optic navigation systems and high-end mapping cameras, meeting the demands of advanced industrial drone applications. Skydroid's unique digital video and control link technology enables the G20 to deliver up to 30 kilometers of image transmission and remote control range. It supports dual-band operation, automatically switching based on real-time flight conditions to ensure stable signal quality, high transmission efficiency, and enhanced anti-interference performance. This test fully demonstrates the synergistic advantage between the high-performance algorithm of the V6X and the low-latency data link of the G20. Clear and smooth video transmission. Throughout the flight, the image feed remained consistently high definition and low latency. Even under high interference or at extended distances, there was no noticeable lag or frame loss. Strong anti-interference capability. In complex environments such as areas with heavy Wi-Fi interference or dense metal structures, the G20's automatic dual-band switching ensured stable control and video transmission, delivering an excellent flight experience. Conclusion. This test showcased the outstanding compatibility and collaboration between the Skydroid G20 and the CUAV V6X on an industrial-grade drone platform. Whether for professional industrial applications or advanced hobbyist use, this combination offers strong, stable, and reliable performance. Even under aggressive stick movements, the aircraft remains stable thanks to the precise control synergy between G20 and V6X. precise return to home. With just one tap on the remote, the drone, equipped with the Neo 3 Pro positioning module, can lock onto the takeoff point and return with minimal deviation. The positioning accuracy is impressive. That concludes today's video. Thank you for watching and supporting the World Drone Market channel. If you have any questions about this video or would like us to dive deeper into certain topics in future content, feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more drone product reviews, tutorials and practical guides. See you in the next video.